Want to fake your GPS location on Android? Whether you're trying to access region-locked content, enhance your privacy, or enjoy location-based games like Pokémon Go, this video has you covered. Today, I'll show you effective ways to spoof your GPS location on Android. Let's get started. Method 1. Using MagFone Location Changer. The easiest and most effective method to spoof your Android GPS location is by using MagFone Location Changer. It's simple, reliable, and doesn't require rooting your device. Visit the official MagFone website and download the software on your computer. Install and launch the program. Connect your Android phone to the computer using a USB cable. Click Start button. Your Android device is detected by the MagFone software. Click Next button, and click General Mode if we do not use it for specific games. Use the search bar to enter your desired location or click directly on the map to choose a spot. Click the Start Modifying button to apply the new GPS location. Your Android device will now reflect this new location in apps like Google Maps, social media, and games. MagFone Location Changer also offers joystick mode for real-time GPS movement control, ideal for gaming apps. Method 2. Using VPN with GPS spoofing. For better privacy and security, combining a VPN with GPS spoofing is an excellent option. Install a trusted VPN like NordVPN, ExpressVPN, or Surfshark. Choose a server in your target location. Use a GPS spoofing app or MagFone Location Changer to match the VPN location for optimal results.